Okay, you heard the announcement. The meeting is being recorded. All right, here. So you will go. We going to start, but Sheikh Akil, I do not know. Oh yeah. Okay, he says in 10 minutes. Okay, then maybe. All right. I think we do a little bit of speed first lah. Okay, because our brother asyik lambat lah. When school opens, then you get result. Okay. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. This is just to revise, but we are going to do volume today. So let me see. But we revise this, okay? Okay, can you find out? No, this one is, oh, 1 second, the one is on. Can you find this? What's the speed? Can you try? Remember the formula for speed, distance divided by time, huh? Akil, what's your result, Akil? You got your maths
Haven't
result?
get.
You had an exam,
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Send by chat now your answers. Okay, we got one answer now. Well done for first one, Mr. Akil. Norizan, you remember? No, Rizan. Rizan, do you remember how to do? Second answer. You well done, Mr. Akil. Can you use a calculator? No problem. Okay, so you must have a stroke like that. So it's 4. You're correct, it's 4. But there's a meter per second. But never mind, you write 4 is enough, it's no problem. Okay, but remember meter per second. The last one, Mr. One. Okay, congratulations, Akil. Okay, Akil. Okay, we're waiting for the result. So, okay.
What's the other Akil?
The other Akil 10 minutes late. I think oversleep lah. Okay,
I'm
you try
oversleep until 5 o'clock.
I do not know whether oversleep. I'm guessing. Later we ask him, okay? Ask him why is he late. Maybe tengah solat now.
So which one?
You do question 2. Now they ask for distance. Okay. So Norizat, your answer for the how you get 20, 10 times 2 20. Okay, cannot go do gasak buta method They're asking you for what speed, you know. So what is speed? Speed, remember, is distance over time. Remember that? You must have distance divided by time. Distance is 10 divided by 2. That's 5. Ken, is that?
Correct.
Okay, let me check your... Mr. Akil, correct for A. Mr. Akil, correct for B. Okay, all right, we'll move on. We'll move on first. Okay, Norizat, we move on to the next one. While waiting for... Actually, I want to do another topic, you guys. Okay, now you try this. And now they're asking for time. Okay, so both of you do. Time means distance divided by speed. Norizat, distance divided by speed. Let's see. Wow, two answers. One say 5 minutes, another say 50 minutes. So let us see who's correct. Okay, very simple. You put 1,500 divide by 300. Look, you cancel the zeros. There's two zeros. Cancel two zeros here. Two zeros here. 15 divided by 3, get 5. Be careful, Mr. Nonoriza. The last one, please. The last one. Come on. Akil say, Akil, mistake, Mr. Akil. Kalas. Come on. Hey, what you drinking, Akil? Noriza, correct? Akil, what drink is that? Chocha Chola. Oh, God. Akil, what's the answer, Akil? 120 divided by 60. 2 hours. Okay. So it's easy, right? Now, this is the most basic stuff. You need to learn this one. You need to learn why. You need this right at the secondary school. Okay. And some students, unfortunately, I'm teaching also secondary school students. I got to teach them primary 6 speed. And even if they go to normal tech, also they need to learn. So you try to complete the table. But remember this one. You want to find distance, speed times time. You want to find speed, distance over time. You want to find time, distance over speed. All right, here we go. Send answer ABC. What's your answer? You can use your calculator, no problem. Let me check. Akil, how you get this answer? Okay, man, we wait for Izzat. Let's see how. Do you take speed times time? So which one is it? 504 or 432? 432. Both answers are not correct. You just took 6 only. Then what about the 1/6? So you times it. There's a 1/6 here. What? Times it separately. 6 times 72 get answer plus
but what is 1/6?
1/6 are like this. Okay. So 1/6 is 1/6. Imagine now you want to find 1/6 of an hour. You just times 72 here. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. You get 12 km. Plus your 432. Then you get the answer. You get it? If you want to do 616 times, is that we are doing this question, first one, you can times like that, no problem. But in order to times like this, you need to make it in proper fraction. So 6 times 6, 36 plus 1, 37. Now like that can. You can use your calculator if you want to, or if you don't want to, no problem. We divide now. Divide by 6. Divide by 6, get 1, get 12. So you try 37 times 12. I am sure the answer is 4. 4. And some Chinese believe this is an unlucky number. C, or sir, die. You know that? You know how they do. So we Muslims, we don't believe in such things. Okay, we believe that numbers this is all a creation from Allah. There's no such thing as lucky or unlucky number. But there's also some numbers like 7. Allah mentions in the Quran. I do not know whether you know about it. It says, we have revealed unto you the 7 verses that you always read. You know what is that? What is the 7 verse? Anyone knows?
You know, last time, right, my favorite number is the number 7.
7. So what is that 7 verses Allah says? Allah says in the Quran, we have revealed to you the 7 verses. You always read it. What is that? Surah?
The one, what's that called again? Fatiha.
Fatiha. Surah Fatiha, there's 7 verses. And that is referred to in the Quran. Then Allah talked about 7 heavens. So in the Muslim, I think the number 7, but we don't say it's lucky lah. Huh? We don't say lucky. We don't believe in this luck lah. Okay, you try come the next 2. Come on. Chia yo. The next one, very simple. You use the formula and find out lah. Izzat, you okay, Izzat? You know how to do or not? Now you want to find what? You want to find speed. Speed is distance divided by time. Take this one, divide by this, that's it. Use your calculator, finish. Anybody? Let's see, someone has sent the answer. I don't have a calculator, use your phone now. You got phone now? I'm using my handphone.
I thought you got phone.
He's using the phone now. Okay lah, never mind.
Oh.
You tell me what to do. Take 1 0, I think, and you get 87.5. But what is the unit? Okay, Izzat, you tell me what's the unit. In fact, they'll even tell you the unit. The unit is km per hour. Last one, Izzat, tell us how to do this one. How to find time. Look at the formula. You want to find time. What's the formula, Izzat? Just tell us. We'll divide for you. Or times for you. Yeah, you look at them. Time, you want to find time. D over S. D divided by S. Times, not times. Divide. D divided by. You know how to use this triangle or not? Later I'm going to teach you, going to use the triangle. You want to find T, you cover T is D divided by S. If let's say you want to find S, all right, you cover S is D divided by T. You want to find D, they are the same, I think, S times T. You can see now. You must be able to see lah. Okay, I repeat. If let's say you want to find the distance, what is left? Speed times time. Can you see? Speed times time. Because you don't look at the D. Now, if let's say you want to find what? Time. Can you see now? It's distance divided by speed. Distance if you want to find time. And if you want to find, speed, cover speed, distance divided by time. So you use this triangle lah. You can use this triangle. Now this triangle will be used later. So Akil, what is your answer? Akil. By the way, this is what I'm eating. We are seeing me munching. It's corn. This is supposed to be my dinner. Come on, Akil. Use the power of the church. Yes, 15.5. Unit is hours. So, Norizat, this divided by this. Okay, we move on to the next one. We are still waiting for our friend before we start volume. Never mind, we revise this one first. Okay, hold on. No, not yet. We don't go so fast. We're going to try it over here. These 2 questions, please. And what is that? You're the fastest runner, Akil. Champion.
My floorball gold medal.
Gold medal. Your challenge against in the school or what? Or against other school?
I mean that one like when I was P4.
Just 2 years ago.
I got the gold medal.
So are you going to join the floorball? You know how to check for the national floorball team now?
Yeah, I joined DSA already.
Really?
I joined DSA.
Which school?
Yeah, I can show you the form.
You mean the Singapore Sports School?
Oh, that one.
Singapore Sports School.
No.
Then?
No, it's like normal school, like secondary school.
Oh, which school is that?
It's Median Sec.
Okay, Median Secondary. Okay, come. Let's try. What? I cannot see. Hold on. Lana, let me see. Show again, show again. Don't move, don't move. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let me see. I cannot open. Okay, thanks. Let me check after that. Let me see. Okay, now your try. Question 2 and 3 while I check out what was shown to me. Oh,
I thought we do this
Sasu.
before.
Yeah, this revision just for a while because we did it on Sunday actually. So can you just tell me what's the answer? It's quite easy. And okay, we have to start very soon. I do not know whether a friend is coming. So all right, let us see. Somebody has sent me. Okay, well done. What's the unit? What's the unit? What's the unit, Akil? Good. Izzat, you wanna
I give
find?
already.
Yeah, thanks.
H.
Yeah. Izzat, you know how to do this, Izzat? You tell me what's the formula? What to do? Okay, well done. Congratulations. Unit is hour because how long? How do you know hour? Look at the speed. This is the unit for time. Okay, we have now the entry of Mr. Sheikh Akil. Okay, we will now go to.
But
How come Sheikh Akil come in? You are so scared, Akil. All right. Assalamualaikum.
where I go take another drink. I'm very thirsty.
Yeah, okay. Assalamualaikum, Sheikh Akil.
Waalaikumsalam.
Apa khabar? Why oversleep?
No, obviously apa balik sekolah apa.
Okay, never mind. Okay, now today we're going to go do a different topic. Okay, we're going to do volume. So we'll start with revision of the primary 5 topic, then we go to primary 6. But the revision is very short. Now, in volume, what is this? In volume, you can take down the formula. You also need to have a triangle. Okay, please take down. In volume, you have also a triangle. This is called V. V is called volume. Then you have down here L, B, H. L stands for length. B stands for breadth. C Coca-Cola. H stands for height. Okay, length, breadth, and height. Now, how do you use this? So, Izzat, if I want to find volume, can you see length, breadth, height are all on the same row? I times them. Length times breadth times height in order to find volume. If I want to find height, how? If I want to find height, I put height like that. So what happened? Can you see not? Volume over length times breadth like that. Can you see if I want to find height? Volume on top, length below, breadth below. They times together. You know how? You understand how to use this one? Okay, next one. You see how to use. Okay, you want to find breadth. Volume is on top over length times height. Can you see that? Length times height below. You understand how to do? If I want to find what? If I want to find length, cover length, volume on top, breadth times height. Easy not? Easy. You know how to use it. This triangle you got to learn how to use because speed also we use this. Now volume we're also going to use this. Okay tak, Syakil? Kenapa nampak macam sedih je? What happened? Are you okay? Sedih? Macam kena marah.
No.
No, tak mengenal. Okay, come, you try now. I want you to find the volume now. of each cube. Kubus, kubus. See, what is kubus? Kubus is the Malay word for cube, right?
Cuboid.
No, Malay.
Kubus is cuboid, right?
Kubus is cube.
Okay, I don't know.
Cuboid can be not cube. Can be like kotak. You know kotak? The length is different from the breadth and height. So cube, all sides are the same. Please try. Come on, Chayo. See what Chayo. Chaya. Coca-Cola.
Volume is it like?
What?
Volume like, is it like length and
Breadth times height there. I just showed down here. You want to find
length and
volume?
breadth times height lah, sir.
Yeah, length and breadth.
Macam
Breadth. Okay, I think you were frozen just now lah. Okay, never mind. Akil, let us see. Akil, first one. Mana boleh Akil? Kemana kamu dapat 54? Gak bisa itu. Izzat dapat 12. Hello, length and breadth and height lah. We write down the formula. Okay. Now we want to find formula for
like time breadth, time height. Only do time breadth.
length and breadth times height. You all are saying the word breadth wrongly lah. I'm hearing wrong thing. Length and breadth. Don't use the ST. See why you use ST, son? Apa lah? 3, 1. The height is 3. The breadth is 3. The length is 3. So 3 times 3.
27.
27. But what
7
is
times 9. I mean, yeah. I mean 27 times 6.
Yeah, no. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3.
162.
Which one? 27? You answered 27 is correct.
No, is it 162?
The next one.
So it's 27 the whole entire.
Yeah, whole thing. Because 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, 27. Don't forget to write the unit, which is cm cube. Remember, cube means you find the EC. Square, like that, cm square means you find the kulit. You know kulit, Nana? Kulit, the skin. And then if it's cm, you find the line, the garis. That's the way for you to understand, okay? If you see cm, that means you can measure the line. Let's say I got a scar, someone scratched me, I use cm. Now I take out my face like a roti prata. That you want to find the kulit, right? The skin. You must use cm square. Now you chop up my head, cut into cubes. You find the EC. Okay. So the next one. Akil says 64. Norizat says 48. What about Shakil? For the next one, B. You can use a calculator. Length times breadth times height. Come on. So Akil and Norizat, you got to check who is correct. Both cannot be correct. 4 times 4 times 4. 4.
Sir, 4 times 4 times 4, right?
Yeah. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4?
12.
16 times 4? It is 48.
12.
Are you sure? 64. This goes to Mr. Akil, your brother. But what is the unit, Akil? Is it cm cube? You agree, Akil? Cm cube?
Yeah.
But this one
Is
meter down here
cm2?
lah. No. Meter
Meter
cube. 2. Meter not 2, 3. Volume
Meter
must
cube.
always be 3, yes. When
Not
is it 2? If it's 2, it will be kulit. Kulit.
cm.
Let's say cm square means for kulit. You know kulit not? Let's say I remove my kulit. I measure the kulit prata lah. I measure in square. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, can you try this? Volume again, very quickly. Izzat, you must be able to do this, Izzat. Chop, Izzat. Wake up. Eat something, drink something. Nah, makan some corn ini. Makan. Open your mouth. You can use a calculator, Shakil. What's your answer? Let me see. Okay, a few of you are sending answer now. Let's see. Is it Izzat? Is it Akil? Mr. Akil. Oh, Norizat is first. Congratulations, Norizat. And Akil, we are about Sheikh Jarrah. Sheikh. Is it Sheikh Jarrah or Sheikh Akil?
96.
96. Congratulations. Yeah. The next one. Norizat, well done. Akil, well done. Sheikh Akil, come on, Sheikh Akil.
I only had chicken for breakfast, then the rest I don't have.
100. Well done. You only had chicken.
I only had chicken today. I haven't eaten anything else.
I'm having corn, but by the way, Sheikh Akil's name is Sheikh Akil. Sheikh Akil, you know what is Sheikh Jarrah?
No.
Anyone know Sheikh Jarrah is in the news? You know not?
I donated $10 to Palestine.
Sheikh Jarrah is in Palestine. You know what the Israelis are doing? One by one, they're taking over the division. Let's say now, okay, you are living in Tampines. They take over Tampines. You know what they do? They go in, they chase out the people living inside, and the people got no place to stay, or they bomb the homes. Very cruel, very cruel.
Sure, they also want Gaza, actually.
That's why I donate $10.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
My parents asked
Gaza
if
is the
I want to
smallest.
donate anything. Then I just donate $10.
Alhamdulillah. It's good. Whatever you can donate. Yeah, you're right. Gaza is the smallest. In fact, they got no space. You've seen the reduction in size. I'll show you later the reduction in size. Poor thing, lah. Imagine now if in your own country, what time end? Siapa yang tanya ni? What time end? What time end? What time? Hey, no result. When a student asks what time end, it means they are bored. 7 p.m. You got one more hour. Okay, we try this one. Read carefully. Try, okay? Read carefully. They are giving you the height, the length, the breadth. They ask you what's the volume of the water in the tank. You know how to do this. So fast, I have not even typed into my calculator. Oh, Akil. Akil. Let's see, so fast, Akil. So you answer what what you want to find? Ask yourself.
Listen.
You want to find what? Volume?
Is it volume?
Volume.
It's
So volume, what's the formula for volume?
There's something wrong.
What something wrong?
It's a 5 and then it's a...
Okay, so down here. Okay. Let us go one by one.
5.
Okay, now this water, you can find this water what? What is the length? First of all, what's the formula for volume? Length times breadth times height, right?
This one got 5.
5, yeah.
No, what number, je?
So no, which one?
5, 35. Another one is?
Okay, now water is 5.
35. Another one is what?
25.
Okay.
25 and 35.
I don't 35.
This
okay.
14 is the whole length. From the whole thing, from here to here is 14. So now, Akil, which one is your answer? Let's see.
47, 5.
Okay, so what do you take? Length and breadth. The length is 35. Times the breadth is 25. Times the height of what? Of the water. So the height is how many? Height is how many? Is 5 lah. Tinggi airnya is 5 cm. So you times. And you will get one answer, which is 12250. But remember, you are supposed to put a cm cube. That's for the water. Now they ask you now, how much more water is needed to fill the tank? Means the kosong part down here, this kosong part, what is the volume they're asking you? 9 cm, cannot be 9 cm. There's so much down here, this space. What do you write? You write 1, 2.
Send you already.
Yeah, your first one. If your second answer is correct for the first question. You see not down here? Okay, 35 times 25 times 5. This is the answer. Your second answer is 12250. It's correct for the first question A. But your second one, there's no second one. You need to find the kosong area here. Why? Because how much more water is needed to fill the tank? If you want to EC the tank, the kosong part with water, what's the volume they're asking you? So take same thing, length times breadth times height down here. Now, do you know the length? You know it's 35. Okay, I write down 35. Good. The breadth is the same as 25.
I go put 35 times 25 times 14 is this one.
Yeah. Why times 14? Hold on. You times by 14 or times by 5? Hold on. 35 times 25 times. Oh, okay. All right. So Syakil, hold on now. This one, sorry, mine is wrong. This one times 5, Akil's one is correct. Okay, because this is 5, right? So Akil, Akil, you get, how much you get? 4375. Correct. Sorry, Akil. 4375. This one is correct, no result. I think you got it now. Now, the next one cannot be, you take 14. Because down here got water, down here got water. How much is the height got no water? What's the height got no water? This, from here to here is 5. Okay, I draw for you. This is, let's say, the height of it. You need the height, Down here to here is the height. So I thought is, yeah. 4375 is correct for the water. Now the one got no water, what is the height? Down here is 5 cm.
It's 4A, right, Che?
It's
4A, right?
4A, yeah. 4375.
4375.
But what about the height for the second part down here? You can see this height not? Okay, you don't get it. You cannot see the height. Okay, what's the height? Yes, no reason. I think you got it correct, the second one. Now, let me see. I show you now. You must be able to understand what they are saying because PSLE, they belate the question, you know. So down here now, you have the water, you say 5 cm. Right? When you go down here, now what is the height down here? From here to here, what is the height they're asking you? That's the kosong part. What? Down here is 5 cm. Total is 14. What is this one? You know how to do. Izzat, how do you get this one, Izzat? How do you get this one, Izzat? Tell us. Unmute now, tell us. Don't be too shy, lah. Izzat, or Akil, or Syakil, how to get this one?
What?
This one is kosong one. Lah.
Oh, that one there.
How to get this one?
14 minus 5.
Yeah, 14 minus 5 get 9. Now you take length is 35. Breadth is 25. Height is 9. Because now they want you to find the kosong part. This one got water, kan? This one is kosong. They want you to find the kosong part. So what is kosong? 35 times 25 times 9. So what do you get? You just find very easy. You understand? I hope you understand. Is that say minus? Yes, correct. Now you minus this now. So now 8175. This is one way of doing it. Another one you can do, you take this water is how much? The water volume is 4375. You can take the whole thing. What is the whole thing? Akil found out whole thing is 12550. You can also minus. Because whole thing minus the water give you the kosong. You get it, Nana? Get it, Nana? Get it, huh? Akil, you get it now? You can take the whole thing is 12550, right? Minus 4375, get the kosong part. Another way of doing it. Okay? Okay, you must be able, this is still basic, yeah? You must be able to understand. If you don't understand, you're not concentrating, I cannot force you. You must try to concentrate. Okay, we try the next one. Come on, you can do this. So how to find the height? How to find the height of the water? Anyone got answer now? How to find the height? Before you find volume of water, you must know the height. What is the height? Let's see who has. Never mind. Why never mind? What is the height? They say 2/5 of what? Of the height. So take 2/5 of the height now. What is 2/5 of the height? You can find. Come, I'll show you. 2/5.
15.
15 of 30. Are you sure it's 30? 15. Divide by 5, get 1. Divide by 5, get 2. 6 times 2, 12. So you get this one is 12 cm. What about from here to here? If this one is 12 cm, what is this? Take 30 minus
12.
you get 18. Now you can do. If you don't find the height, how to do? So can you try? Find. Syakil okey nak Syakil? Hah? Jadi macam beruang ke? Aku pun mau jadi beruang. Alright, we have few answers now coming. Let us see. I don't think it's correct lah. Oh, for B, that's for B, is it? B, I have not checked yet. Your A, what's your answer for A? Your A, what's your answer, Akil? We go step by step. Let's find what's A. Izzat can do, Izzat? Well done, Akil. But they're asking you in liters. Your answer is correct in cubic cm. You're correct. It's cm cube. But now they ask you for liters. So, Izzat, I think your answer might be for... Okay, Akil... Yeah, correct. So how to do this one? Shakil. We want to find out, you got the height. What's the formula? We write down the formula. We want to find what? We want to find volume of air lah. Volume of air. So volume, the formula is length times breadth times height. You must memorize. This one you got to memorize. Okay, you say, I'm going for exam, I don't want to memorize. Then you're asking for it. So now, length is how many? 42. So you write 42 here lah. Breadth is 30, right? 30. Height, what's the height of water? You must find out lah. We find out already. See, 2/5 times 30. Why 2/5? They tell you it's 2/5 fill of water. So you get 2/5 of 30, you get 12. So times 12. When you do this, you get this answer. 1, 5, 1, 2. Oh, but remember, this is in cm cube. Now they're asking you in liters. Alamak, what is liters? 1 liter is how much? Is 1,000.
I sent you already.
Okay, thanks. Yes, 1,000 cm cube. So Akil got it correct for the first one, yes? Yeah. Did I get it correct? No, you did not get it correct. See, so 1 liter is 1,000. Now you got 15,000. So how to do this one? You got to change this to liters. How to change? Divide by 1,000. Divide by 1,000. So 15,120 divide by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3 zeros, right? There's 3 zeros here. So you shift 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. So answer is what? Put a dot here. 15.12 liters. Are Okay, so if you are confused, let us go to Sheikh Google. Okay, Sheikh Google kita pergi jumpa Sheikh Google sekejap Say Sheikh Google, where are you, Sheikh Google? Okay, Sheikh Google is here lah. Sorry. Okay, liters to cubic cm. Can see that? Down here. This is US spelling lah. Can see that? Cubic cm is cm cube. So 1 liter is 1,000. So you wanna, there's now we know is how much? 15,120. You see 15.12. Now how you get 15.112? Because the formula say multiply. Okay, now we change lah. We put to cubic cm, we want to change to liters. Okay, we put down here like 15120. How to get this one? You see, they give you the formula. Divide by 1,000. Why? Because 1 liter is 1,000 cubic cm. Are you clear? Are you clear not? This one, how to change? You must divide by 1,000. You get liters. So why I'm showing you this? Because the question is asking you to give your answer in liters. Just now you give in cm cube. They say, sorry, cannot use the cm cube. Now B, how much more water is needed to fill the tank completely? Remember, down here is 12 cm. Down here, there's no, it's 18 cm. You know how much more kosong space you must fill up with water. All right. Remember, there's not down here from here to here is 18 cm. Okay, from here to here, 12 cm. So now they want how much more water is needed to fill the tank. They want you to fill this kosong part. So what's the volume of the kosong part? This transparent part. Find out. Come on. Ciao.
Sir, we do this already lecture one now.
Sorry, one?
A.
Just now we got the
We do
answer.
A already, right?
Yeah, 15.12 just now.
We do A already.
Yes, we did, yes. That's now A, now we're doing B. Okay, Sheikh Akil, your answer is correct, but let us see whether you change it to liters or not. Hold on. Okay, I think you know how to change to liters. Divide by 1,000. Okay, correct, Sheikh Akil. Did I get it correct? Is that your answer 37 for the thing? Very simple. Come on, boys. Very simple. We have to start in this way. Very simple. What is the length? The formula is length times breadth times height. Length is 42. Breadth 30. Height of the kosong part, because they want to fill the tank completely. So the kosong part times 18. What do you get? You get, hold on, what is the answer? See, I forgot, 22680. But remember, this is in cubic cm. If you want to change to liter, you got to divide by 1,000. This, you divide by 1,000. How to divide? Why you want to change to divide by 1,000? Because 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So 1, 2, 3, 22.68 liters. That's the answer. Are we okay? If you don't believe, I can show you again the conversion. There's not the conversion on here. 22,680. Can you see? 22.68. So can you see, Akil, you don't need to put the zero here. Akil, you don't need to put the zero here, Akil. The zero don't need to put. Can you see now? They don't put also. All right, we try the next one. Don't be bored lah. Don't be bored. We just have another 40 minutes left.
I have to poop. That's why I try.
Okay, go.
That's why
Please go.
Okay.
Please go. Now remember, now we want to find one side. You want to find the length. Remember, we have the formula. What's the formula? We want a formula down here. Length, breadth, height. Remember not? You want to find what? You want to find the length. So cover length. So what are you left with? You are left with, this is your formula. What is formula? Volume over breadth times height. You put in the values. What is volume? Put the volume number here. Put the breadth times height number here, then you get the answer. Okay, please try. Okay, just give me a moment. Boys, you can see you can get this side on here. You use this formula lah. You know how to use the formula, right? What is the volume? This is the volume. Breadth is here. Height is here. You put it in lah. So how to put in? Okay, I'm going to show you step by step, so that you know what to do. Syakil, volume is 84. See, volume is 84. You put 84 on top. And then breadth is 3. We put 3 below. Times height is 4. Okay. So you want to divide like that? You can put inside calculator. If you don't want, also you can just time 84. 3 times 4 is 12. 84 divided by 12, what do you get? You will get your answer actually. You don't believe, you can use your calculator now. 84 divided by 12. You get 7. So this is 7 cm lah. Can see now how we find. Now, if you do not know the formula, you won't know how to do. So must remember, you got to memorize V, L, B, H. V, L, B, H. And then you ask yourself what you want to find. Down here, you want to find the length, correct? So imagine you don't have any length here. Can you see volume over breadth and height? Volume over breadth times height. Can you see? Down here. Can see, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next one. You must be able to do, okay, boys? Please try your best, don't give up. Okay, try the next one. Now you want to find what? Height. Use the formula lah. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. You can do this. It's not so difficult. All you need is put in the formula. Put the numbers in the formula. Syakil, you can do this, Syakil. Come on, Syakil.
Is it 432 times 6 times 6?
Apa dia bodoh dia begitu? Kita nak cari what? What you want to find? We want to find the height, right? Now this is called the height. So let
6
us
times
look.
6.
No, wait. Let's go. Let's formula. Follow the formula. Yes.
Can I try?
Okay.
432 divided by 6 and divide.
Yes.
Yeah,
Correct.
divide another. Yeah.
So down here, what? So you wanna find height? Okay, cancel this height lah. Now you have volume. You see, I copy exactly over length times breadth, like that. So what's the volume, Shakil? 432, correct? Right, 432 on top lah. Then below, what times what? 6 times 6 below. Length is 6, breadth is so 6 times 6 below.
I don't know.
Can see not? Shakil can see not? The rest can see Shakil. Shakil can see not? Shakil, you're disappearing, huh? Now,
Yeah.
can
It's correct lah. 42 times 6 times 6 lah.
No, 42, this is divide lah. You 42 must divide.
Okay, 42 divided by 6 and then
divide by 6 again. Don't times 6, 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 6, 36. So 432 divided by 36. Like that.
So it's 432 divided by 6 divided by 6.
Yes.
Wait,
Yes.
can I use calculator?
Yes, please do. Norizat, what is your answer, Mr. Norizat? Norizat, are you fasting? I thought you was senam. You look a little bit weak lah. Are you sick?
He eat chips, what?
He eat chips, is it? Well, you didn't share us. How come his eyes become very big? Norizat, what's your answer, Norizat? Come on, Norizat. Oh, you send your answer. Let me see. Sorry. I did not.
1 2 je.
Hantu.
1 2.
1 2. Norizat, how come your number very big? 1 5 5 5 2. Can you imagine how high the whole thing going up to the sky lah? Tak boleh lah, ribu ni. This one 6, this one 15,000. Wow! It's higher than
It's like two squares connected.
Yeah.
Like 2 squares connected.
Yeah, something like that. Yes, 2 squares connected. So when you do this, 432 divided by 6 divided by 6, you get 12. So the height is 12, Norizat. I think you go in times, no? Do you go in times? Is that you go? Don't times lah. Times when do you times? Is when you want to find volume. Volume is length times breadth times height. But now you want to find height, you must follow that. Volume divided by length divided by breadth. Okay? We move on to the next one. You must be very clear on this. Then after that, we can go to more advanced stuff. If you are still not clear, we're gonna be having a problem. Or as the Arabs say, Shakil, they cannot say the word P. They will say problem. Correct? Orang Arab lah. The original Arab lah.
Sure.
They cannot say Pepsi. They will say Bepsi.
It's 180 times 10 times.
See, you will put time by time. Let me see. Now
Sure.
what is it?
180 times 10
Is
times
it 180 divided by 30?
Hold on. Now, yeah, you are correct, Mr. Akil. Carry on.
Yeah.
Down here, see, Mr. Shakil. What you want to find, Shakil? What you want to find? What is this called?
Equals 6.
Okay, but what is this called, Shakil? This is length. This is height. Ini apa ni? Breath, right? You're on mute lah. Breath. So you cancel the breath. So take volume divided by length divided by height. That's it. Yeah, volume is 180. 180 divided by length. Length is 10. Okay. And then divided by height is 3. Like that lah. So for me, I cancel. 18 divided by 3, 6 cm. Are you able to understand that? Can do not? Is that you can do? Shakil, understand that, Shakil? You must write down the triangle. Don't say out the answer first. Don't say the answer first. You write the triangle. What you want to find, you cancel. Then the balance, volume, over. Can you see over down here? Over length times height. Length times height. Okay, we move on to the next one. You must be able to do lah. Come on now. Please, don't be like that. Okay. You try. What you can do, you try. Okay, we try A, B, C, D, E. Let's see how many can you get correct. but you type in your answer, okay? You use the triangle. Use the triangle. Congratulations to Mr. Akil for A. Is correct. So you draw. Those of you who are still unsure, you draw the triangle. Draw the triangle. Use a calculator, no problem. L, B, H. H, eh? Ask yourself what you find. You find volume? Cancel volume. Then, yeah. Yeah, Shakil. Yeah, Shakil.
Teacher.
Yeah, Shakil.
Is A is 90.
Congratulations.
Huh?
Tahniah pada Shakil, but remember, yes, Alhamdulillah, Shakil. So the next one, so is that you are giving the answer for B, is it? The next one is B, right? Is that? Okay, let us see. Yeah, I have not checked. Congratulations, Isa. Congratulations, Akil, for B. Now, I think Akil is going to chair. Akil, your answer for chair is correct as well.
My answer for what?
No, your answer for A is correct. But there's now Akil, not Sheikh Akil. I will call you Sheikh Akil because otherwise we won't know who is who. So Akil one is, okay, is that first one correct also? Well done. Now Akil is at D now. Let us see at D. Yeah. Akil, your answer is correct also for D. And what about E? And if you get this correct, you collect a free prize from Madam Zuli or Madam Zuliana. Either one. You can choose one. Oh. Hold on, eh? Congratulations, Akil. What about Shakil? Shakil, how to find this one? What you want to find? The height. Cancel the height here. So volume divided by length divided by breadth. That's how you do it. You cover this one. Volume divided by length, volume divided by breadth. Okay. You want to find breadth? Cancel the breadth. Volume divided by length divided by height. Come on, you can do this. Can do this. Are you singing or crying? Shakil. Shakil nyanyi ah. Okay, Shakil, come. We do together. Now down here the first one. Yeah. Can do now. We got to do a little. Okay, if we can do, then I will share the screen so that Akil. Okay, you tell the answer. We let Akil. Akil, you can do the next one. Okay, come. I'm going to show you the. Now you can do the next one. Yes. Yes, Akil. Oh, you cannot see, yeah. Okay. Akil, you can do the next one, Akil.
So where did Syed Akil go?
Huh?
Where did Syed Akil go?
Syed Akil merajuk. Syed Akil belum merajuk. Syed
I
Akil
cannot
come back.
see.
Oh, you cannot see? How come you cannot see you suddenly?
No, I cannot see the question.
Oh, cannot see the question?
Yeah.
What happened? Okay, we try again.
Like, it's so small, I cannot read.
Oh, you cannot read. Okay. Because you all have already finished the first part. Now can go to the next one.
Find the
Where is Syed Akil?
don't know.
Syed Akil merajuk
Three of them are the same. When three of them are the same keyboard, right?
Yes, same keyboard. Yes, you are absolutely correct. So they are just showing you different positions. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat. Question C is correct. Congratulations. If you can get the other two more correct, please collect your present from Madam Norizan. D is also 11. Yes, correct. And what about E? C, I think is not. Your C is correct. D is okay. What about E? Let me see what is correct. I don't think. Let me see. 8, 6, 20. Salah lah. Akil, salah. Akil, they give you one is length, one is breadth, one is height. Come on, you can find it. Congratulations, Norizan. Collect a present from Madam Norizan. Okay, Ken. This is what present you're going to collect. Your mom is going to give you a hug. Okay, hug is okay, Ken. It's also a present. Last time when you all were small, your parents hug you, right? Of course, sometimes when we grow older, we feel very odd, but continue to hug your parents. Even your parents don't want to hug you, hug her. Hug your mother, hug your father. Okay, it's very
My brother
important.
will hit me if I hug him.
Okay, brother, never mind lah. But for your mother, father, last time when I got divorced, my sons always hug me. Until now, they're grown men. You know, let's say if you see them in the MRT station hugging me, it says, who is these two big people hugging me? Now they're bigger than me. But that hug is actually good for you. So if you can, you must hug your dad, your father and mother lah. You must kiss their hand at least. No, at least kiss their hand. You kiss their hand. Is that you kiss your hand? Your parents' hand. What?
I don't want to do anything. I don't want to hug nothing.
Must hug lah. You know why? Must hug. Okay.
Weird lah.
I know you feel weird, but if you don't do it, last time, let me tell you a story of quick one. When I was young, I used to call my mother Ta. Why? Because her sisters all call Ta. Ta means sister. I do not know what language is it from. So my eldest brothers was calling that. You know, I had to change. It was so difficult. At the age of 19, I changed. I said, I'm going to call you Ma. You know how happy she feels? Very happy. Same thing. You hug your mom, hug your dad, you kiss their head. At first they say, no, I don't want. You just continue to do it. You will see something happen. I think Syed Akil, you salam and hug your parents, right? Syed Akil, is it true? Syed Akil, yes. Yes, sir. I say, yes, what is this?
But I don't have.
Just salam, okay. You start with salam. Start with salam. Okay? It will help. Every time you want to leave the home, you salam. At first, they might find it odd, but you just do it. You see what happens. Your relationship will be very good. Inshallah. Okay, we try now the next one. We try the next.
Oh yeah, I salam them every time I go school.
Yeah, do good.
My father forced me.
Good. You know, that will help you have the connection. And then when you all have children next time, make sure you don't.
I don't like the part where my father will kiss me on my forehead and my grandmother and my mother. I will always rub off.
Why? It shows that your dad loves you, see? You know, so you must love back now. Sometimes you hug them. Sometimes you have problems, you will hug lah. No problem. Even when you are very, very big, it's okay. Okay, we try the next one. Come on. The next one, this is the same item. Can you see? We do not know what the breadth is. This is actually a breadth. The length, you know what? The length is here. The height, you know. The breadth, you don't know. But the volume, you know. Find what is the question mark. Question mark is what? Is the breadth. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Anybody, anybody. Remember the formula. What you want to find? You want to find this is length. This is the length. This is height. You got the height. The breadth is here. You don't know this one. So you want to find out what the breadth is. Okay, you want to find out what's the breadth is. So you can do so now.
So that means 4 times 20 then divided by 1200.
1200 divided by.
The thing that you times.
Yes, that's right. So how much is that?
80, 1200 divided by 80.
Yes.
15.
Well done, 15. So all you need to do, boys, is just to put in the value. You got to learn how to put in the value here. Let me see who got. Someone send me the answer. Hold on, let me just check. Okay, well done, Izzat. Well done. Well done. What about Syakil? Syakil, can we do together? Syakil tengah nyanyi lah, I think. Tapi dia nyanyi lagu nasyid lah. Dia mau jadi penyanyi nasyid. Okay lah. Penyanyi nasyid betul kan? It's okay to be penyanyi nasyid. Now, down here now, you want to find the breadth. What is the breadth equals to? Okay, the breadth is equals to volume over length times height. What is that? Volume is how much? Oh, down here. Volume is 1200. So 1200 over.
So
Yeah.
last time Prophet Adam wait. Yeah, Adam, he was very tall, right?
Yeah, that's what some people say. Some people say the people used to be very tall. I do not know. If we tell the people of science, they will not believe lah.
The
But
coffin,
yeah,
they got show the coffin, right?
yeah, they showed there was in some countries they found the old graves that are very long. But again, I do not know because this is not an article of faith. That means we can have different opinions.
He's 60 cubits tall.
Okay, that's what they say. So I do not know. Okay, so you divide 1,800 divided 80, you get 15. Yeah, that's what I heard. The people of the past used to be very tall, but I do not know because it's not a part of Rukun Islam or Iman. So never mind. We can have difference of opinion here. Okay, we try the next one. Can you try this too? Can you see now? Base area means the area at the bottom. How you get area bottom is length times breadth. So this is length times breadth. What is it you want to find? Okay, you try. Try and just give me 1 second. 1 second now. All right, we got 15 minutes left. Let us see. There's two answers given by two boys, or is it one boy? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, so now you ask yourself, what? Okay, we want to find what? What we want to find? They want to find the height. That's what they give you a question mark, right? So you use the formula. Say, what formula? I show you the formula. Now you have volume over, you must remember this formula lah. Remember this formula, you will be A-OK. A-OK means you'll be all right. Now down here, can you see? What you want to find? You want to find the height. How to find the height? Height is equals to volume over length times breadth. What is length times breadth? Is that length times breadth equal area, correct? Length, so it's volume over area. Huh? Yes. Length times breadth is area. So what is the volume? Volume is 48. No, 336. And what's the area? Area is 48. And you will get it. Can you see now? Area is 48. So once you divide, you get answer. So this one, they already times for you. This area now, they already times. You don't need to change it, just use it only. Answer is 7. So in this case, they didn't give you the length and breadth, we don't know. But when you take this times this is 48. So we just use the 48 because you don't need to know individually. You can use them as area also. Can you see now? You can see, you understand? Akil, you understand, Akil? Okay, we do the next one. We try next one. Little bit, Syakil. I don't know, tengah nyanyi this guy. Dia nyanyi apa begini? Andainya aku pergi.
A little, okay. You try same thing now. Same thing. Imagine now this one, you put it on the, it's the same thing. Same thing. Okay, later we're going to go through in a moment.
Sir, you know it's Gerhana Bulan, right, sir?
Yeah, tonight, right? Are you going to do the prayer?
Yeah.
Let me see. Akil, you give the answer, and Izzat also give the answer, and your answers are correct. Your answers are correct. Very easy. Okay, so how to do? Now I just show you again. Down here, what is the formula? The formula is length times volume equals to length, breadth, height. Here. Now what you want to find? You want to find what is this? Breadth, kan? This is the breadth, right? This is length. This is height. So you must find volume. What's the formula for finding the breadth? Cancel the breadth. So how to find the breadth? Breadth equals to volume over length times height. Can you see that? This length and the height times together, you get 60 lah.
Yeah.
Yes.
How does the blood moon happen?
Blood moon. I'm told when it's so close to the earth, I do not know lah. I got to find out for you. You know, I do not know. The blood moon, they say it's very close, right, to the earth. I think, I do not know.
Like something like from the sun shining to the earth. I mean, like shining to the moon. Then there's like the shining is on the earth. I don't know.
Okay, we check now. Okay, you want to check all this? It's very easy way of checking. Go straight to Google lah. Google down here. How does blood moon occur? Okay. So now they say, this is from where? I do not know. Sometimes we okay, this is the blood moon. Okay, first
The red color comes from the sunlight filtering through Earth's atmosphere, sunset. So you're correct. It comes from the sunlight. The reddish color, a lunar eclipse, is often called a blood moon. Well, I do not. Okay, let us see. You want to see this? I will have to find a video. Okay.
In Malay, that one, what is blood moon in Malay? Anak bulan kan?
No, anak bulan is just a normal new moon, right? New moon, right? New moon, that's okay. So you want blood moon in Malay. Malayalam, Malay. Blood moon. Apa? Aku pun tak tahulah. What is blood moon? Bulan darah, cannot be lah. Benar. Okay, they call it bulan darah. I find it very strange.
Yeah, I go say to my grandmother today.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We will come back and we'll do some mathematics. Mr. Sheikh Akil, we miss you, Sheikh Akil. Please come back. Aduh, salah tempat dah. Sekejap. And where? All right. Let us try the next one.
Bulan gerhana.
Bulan gerhana is normal eclipse. Gerhana is eclipse. You are talking about blood moon, you know. Eclipse is gerhana.
Oh, okay, wait.
So, eclipse tu benar kan?
Ya. Gerhana bulan darah.
So, ini dia panggil apa? Bulan gerhana darah. Gerhana bulan darah. Gerhana bulan darah. Mana orang tu?
Gerhana bulan je lah, Cik.
Gerhana
Darah tu
bulan.
mana datang?
Bulan dia, because the blood moon is called bulan darah. So bulan is not normal.
Ustaz semua cakap gerhana.
Gerhana bulan. So that's a normal gerhana lah. But in this case, I
Gerhana
don't know.
bulan, gerhana matahari.
Okay lah. Gerhana lah. Okay. Okay, come. Can we try this one? Use the formula. Come on. Mr. Izzat has given the answer, and I think, wow, Mr. Izzat. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat. Your answer is correct, and you are the first one to get the answer correct. Well done. And once again, you can collect the second prize from Madam Norizan. We are waiting for 2 other students. Easy, no, Izzat? Quite easy, yeah. But you must remember the formula lah. Don't use gasak buta method and just do anyhow. Sometimes we might be so used to that. No, you see 2 numbers, plus, minus, times, divide, and then just try anything. Don't do that. Go step by step. I'm going to reduce this so that Izzat can also try the next question. Izzat can try. Cannot see. Can see now, Izzat? You can do the next question. So fast, Izzat. Ni apa dia Encik Izzat? Once you know, it's very easy lah. What about you, Akil?
Sure. Can you go to
Internet connection is unstable.
Okay. What? Can go to what? Question C, is it?
Oh, well, listen.
Yeah, okay, come. We go through now.
C.
See, yeah. So you write down the formula first. Formula is volume LBH. LBH means length, breadth, height lah. Okay. Sekejap lah, I get some ink first. Ink dia macam habis lah. So down here, LBH. So what you want to find is, Mr. Shakil, this is length is here, breadth is here, height is here. What do you not have? You don't have the breadth. cancel breadth lah.
Uh,
So what's the formula? Formula is to find the breadth is equals to volume divided by length times height. Can you see not? Length times height is this thing. That is length times the height. So you don't need to find out what is length. Just replace it. 720 is the volume. Divide by area lah. The area is 120. Why? Because length times height is this area. Can you get it? Then your answer is 6. 6 here.
720 minus 120.
No, not minus. Divide. Formula says divide.
Divide.
Be careful.
Mm.
Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, we have only 5 minutes left. You try this too. Try this too. Send me your answer. Send me your answer, please.
X480 divided by 360. Wait, I don't.
Is that
412 out of 9, sir.
What?
412 out of 9.
Okay. So now like this. Formula is what? Volume over length, breadth, height. Correct, right? There's a triangle on here, right? Now what you want to find? You want to find what? You want to find length. This one can be length. One side, right? Length. So you want to find length, you cross out length. So the formula is volume over breadth times height. Breadth times height is given what? Here. This is breadth, this is height. Times together, you get 360. So volume is above. And you have what volume is here? 6480 divided by 360. You will get your answer. This is 18. Let's see what is correct. $18. So this is 18 cm. Okay, finish. So you try the next one. Come on, 2 minutes more. Come on.
Is my answer correct?
Okay, for the next one, 18 is correct, but your next one, I'm not checking. Congratulations. What about Izzat, the next one? Same answer. Okay, well done. Yeah, 29, well done. So you are able to do this. Well done, madam. We do one last question. We have 1 more minute. One last question. No, this one is.
Sure.
Yeah. What is that? Hold on. We. Yeah. Can you see? Lunar eclipse. Yeah. Today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We do one more question again. One last one. We do this one. They want you to find one side of the cube. All the sides, this is a cube, all the sides are the same. Length, breadth, height are the same. And they give you the top part here, length times breadth is 169. What is one side?
Possess.
Hmm?
Nothing.
Remember, all sides are the same. What times what equals 169? Ask yourself. What times?
Still the same, right, sir? 169 divided by 169, right, sir?
No, no. What
Then
times what?
550.
What times what equals 169? Same number. Because this is cube, no. Okay, 10 times 10 is 100.
Is it 56.333?
No, no, you go and divide by
What?
2, cannot be. 10 times 7 is 100. Down here is area, no. 11 times 11
divided by 3.
cannot divide by 3. 11 times 11, 1 to 1. Let's see now whether Izzat has gotten an answer. He has just sent something. Did he get it correct? Let me see. No, no, no. You try 12 times 12. 13 times 13.
13.
13. So
13,
that means
13, sir.
your answer is 13. Why? Because you
Yeah.
know
11 p.m. then the blood moon.
11 p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
So one side is 13. So that means you already found the answer. They want you to find one side. Okay, not so difficult, okay? But you need to revise. You need to revise, okay? Make sure you do some work, extra work. All right? Assalamualaikum.